Ever wonder how the microwave was invented? It all started in the 1940s, with a chocolate bar melting in a guy's pocket. Percy Spencer, an engineer working with radar tech, noticed the bar turned to goo near an active magnetron. Instead of running away, like a normal person, he leaned in. Next, he aimed radar waves at popcorn. Boom! The first microwave popcorn ever. Then he tried it on an egg. It exploded all over his colleague. From snack chaos to a billion-dollar invention, the microwave was born. Not in a lab, not on purpose. But because a scientist got curious, and a candy bar got messy,